Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I create this K-beauty trend makeup, also known for Korean beauty. It's all about glowing skin that looks seamless. Everything blends and melts into the skin beautifully, and it's extremely easy to apply. So if you want to learn how I create this K-beauty look, keep watching. K-beauty is all about healthy, glowing skin. So I'm starting with Pink Glow Liquid Face Highlighter. Warm a small amount with your fingers on all the high points of your face. Applying a very thin layer of intensive skin serum foundation to even out my complexion. A good tip for minimal coverage is to spread the foundation onto the hand, then pick it up with your brush. Counteracting any darkness under my eyes and on my face with my corrector. Sweeping on a very light layer of intensive skin serum concealer just where I want a little extra coverage. It is key with the K-beauty trend to apply very thin layers of makeup. I'm also tapping a little concealer around my lips to prep them before lipstick. For extra glow, I'm mixing pale pink Pot Rouge with Pink Glow Liquid Highlighter to create a dewy cream blusher, and I'm applying that with my sheer powder brush. For my eyes, I'm starting with a wash of golden pink longwear cream shadow stick. A great tip is to apply a little on your finger, then press it on the eye for an even buildable blend. Then picking up Sunstone Luxe Sparkle Shadow and applying all over the eyes and along the bottom lash line. For liner, I'm picking up rich brown eyeshadow with my eye definer brush and pressing along my lash line, then pulling out a small wing. Finishing off my eyes with a few coats of Smokey Eye Mascara on the top and bottom lashes. For lips, I'm creating an ombre effect, starting with Papaya Jelly Shine Stick through the center of my lips, then pressing it in with my fingers, then applying Bare Pink Extra Lip Tint all over my lips. To set my makeup and keep the dewiness to my skin, I'm spritzing Primer Plus 3-in-1 setting spray all over. Look how gorgeous and glowing the skin looks. I'm absolutely in love with K-beauty trend, and it's definitely something that can be worn every day. Thanks so much for watching and have a beautiful day.